What server?
Stop. 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 Oh my god, you
Bruh.
Yeah, but it doesn't turn up to forever.
Bruh. 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 Bruh.
Oh my god!
Bruh.
I hit you while you were
Bruh.
falling, and it was
Bruh.
2.
Bruh. 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 Bruh.
Bruh,
Bruh.
bruh,
Bruh. 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 Bruh.
He's probably trying to
Bruh.
make fun
Bruh. 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 Bruh.
of you. Mike,
Bruh.
I'm just lagging. I'm lagging, just checking for the notifications.
Bruh. 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 Bruh.
Is there a way to change the speed to like 2 times?
Bruh. Bruh.
If there was, then you should be like,
Bruh. 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 Bruh.
every Rush Lord after he killed you
Bruh.
in season 3.
Bruh. 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 Bruh.
Hold on. Take the L. I'm a Fortnite player.
Bruh. 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 Bruh.
But it's like, no.